Hi everyone. Today in this video I wanted to show you one of the uh, cashback offer on PhonePe payment. So let's get started. So this offer is from 24th February to 25th, so on weekend, and the offer is for flat 100 rupees cashback on bills of rupees 200 and above at three outlets. But one is KFC, Cafe Coffee Day or CCD, and Spencer's. So if you have any plan to visit any of these three, then why not pay using PhonePe instead of any other option, because you will get rupees 100% flat rupees 100 cashback. And some more information is given here. If you want to know more about this offer, just open your PhonePe app, and in the menu you can see offers. In that, scroll down, you can see 24th and 25th bumper weekend offer. If you click on that, you will know more information about it. To just brief on more, you can see that this offer is duration is from 24th February 12 a.m. or 12 in the night to 25th 12 in the night. And how many times? Only one time we can avail this offer, but some outlets have been exempted from this, and that list also is given here. Most of the airport KFCs are not participating or not available in this. So how do you avail this offer is pick the PhonePe option for billing when you try to pay at these three stores: KFC, Spencer's and CCD, and automatically the cashback will be applied, and this cashback will be triggered to you within 24 hours of the transaction on which the offer is applicable. Okay, so this is about the offer. Hope this is helpful to you, because on weekends, if you have any plan to attend any of these, you can easily pay through PhonePe and get a rupees 100 cashback. To know more about PhonePe wallet usage, if you are new to it, then check out the video playlist on the iCard. In this channel we cover a lot of PhonePe informative videos. If you have any other video query or technical query, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a very nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never